Good afternoon everyone and welcome back to Montfaucon. While we've got the nice weather, I just thought it'd be a good idea to try and get this step painted. We've only just started getting better weather, so I think it's time to get some jobs done, don't you? I don't know what Fran's going to be doing, but I'm going to find him a job to do.
Just put this pot away.
Just finished painting the front and sides of the step. That's the side. Painted the front of these as well. I'm going to let this dry and then give it another coat. It has tidied them up. The porch needs painting. Need to give that a good rub down and start painting that. But yeah, much tidier than what it was. Fran's just chopping down some of the branches that poke us in the face when we're driving the lawnmower. Don't go too high with that saw.
It's not that, you have to keep them
just so they don't poke us in the face.
I was supposed to keep them off the ground, away from the ground anyway, because that's how the insects fly me.
Yeah. It's a smile. Yeah, this is the orchard that we're in. It's full of plum trees. At the back there, the purple plum, and these are yellow plum, Mirabelle. We have an abundance of plums from these trees every summer. We've left these a bit late to cut these branches. Well, they weren't too bad till they started getting the leaves on them. Looks like we're going to have another trip down this yesterday, doesn't it?
Yeah, another one.
We've got that pile there. That's going to go to the dishettery.
I'm just glad them pivots over with anyway.
Yeah.
Them pine trees.
That was one of the pine trees that was wasn't that one of the pine trees that had that
Yes.
beetle?
Yeah, it was one of the little ones though, wasn't it, from the back here?
But yeah.
And the what used to be there? It's like
Yeah.
a pot shed type thing, right?
These were all pine trees that were
That one's not going anywhere.
no.
See, there's still a few
There's a big stump there, can't you get that out?
that's it.
Is that off that?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Watch out for the snakes.
Don't see that. No. Right, we've got a few. Don't know what they are. There we go. Oh, that's solid them over there. I know guys, don't you?
What?
It's a weed in it.
It's a big weed, that, isn't it?
Yeah, the big root tail and all. Right. It's what they used to use for the edgings, isn't it?
Yeah. This place here, around this area, is full of broken roof tiles that have been buried. But we think that the owners, original owners, used them as edgings.
Well, you had the chicken coop there, didn't you?
Yeah, so chick coop was over there, that we took down.
It was like a potted shed, wasn't it? Well, took
Yeah.
down the asbestos roof.
Oh, it's a nightmare. You'd never get every one of them up.
This is definitely a weed, this.
Is that rope?
Oh, you know what it is, yeah?
Size of that? It's huge.
Look, that's a weed, that. Do you remember that old plant that used to go here all the time? Yeah, so what's happening now? I don't know if you can see that line in the grass there going along. We have cut it and I've left all the bits of grass, as I said a minute ago. But what Lorraine's going to do now, she's going to go over the grass and she's going to shred it. So you can see it's getting shredded even smaller. And apparently, your grass, when you cut your lawns, if your grass has had some kind of fertiliser on it, apparently you've got to pick it up and move it. But if it's just natural grass, no fertilisers are being put on it, then it's okay to leave down because it breaks down. It's a nuisance for the grass itself. So that's what we like to do, we like to shred it. I don't know whether you can see the difference there. Just shred it. So just go up and down and shred it both ways. You can actually see a line there for the grass. Take it over and show you what she's done. So that's what she's done there. You've got this half here, what terrain she's done, and you've got that half there, what she hasn't done yet. And you can see the difference. Mixed along it makes the lawn look absolutely fantastic. But yeah, I've done over there in the front of the house before, and I've done all over there. But yeah, we're going to carry on with this and I'll see you all later.
As Fran was saying before, when I was on the mower, the big ride on mower, I just went over a couple more times. It's just to spread the grass. I think it helps fertilise the grass actually. But this should be it now till next week. Just trying to keep on top of it because it takes a full day. You know, after like a week or so, because the grass grows really quick here. So just keep on top of it. It won't be too bad. I've done the orchards as well, so all the orchards has all been sorted. Right back there. Tree there, right at the back. Yeah, so I'm quite happy with that. So let's find the next job. I don't think you're ready for the next job, do I?
What?
I don't think you are ready for the next job, are you?
No, suntan time, innit? I've got red arms, red head, red face and white legs.
You need them with them legs, you need a sun.
Transparent.
Yeah, well.
They're that white, you can see through them.
We can't do anything now because it's almost lunchtime, isn't it? So
Yeah.
don't keep the dog out too long. Just gets attacked by flies, bless her. I'd just like to take this opportunity to thank everyone for watching this week's video, and if you did like the video, can you please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, would you please consider subscribing? It really does help our channel grow. I'd also like to take the opportunity to thank our current subscribers and the new subscribers we've had this past month. It's really helped our channel to progress and we really do appreciate it. If you'd like to leave a comment and ask any questions, we will answer them. So I hope you've enjoyed this video and I'll see you all again next week. Bye for now.